jewel lies in details. Soul of filmmaking lies in its casting. We are in conversation with noted casting director and actor Nikita Grover, who doesn't just find actors but heartbeats of our hinterland, be it the gritty depths of Patal Lok or the misty air of Kohra. Not a single actor is out of place. Thank you, Nikita.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
So tell me, we all know casting involves painstaking scouting, research. But do things get easier with the second season as with Kohra 2, especially when the milieu is the same, it's still Punjab?
No, no, not at all. I actually thought the same when because I had already spent like 3.5 months in Punjab when I was doing season one of Kohra. And I also thought the same that, it's going to be much easier this time because I have been to Punjab and I know Punjab. I was very confident until I was there. And, I thought, oh my God, everyone I was meeting, they were already a part of season one. And I was like, oh my God, did I cast all the good actors in season one? Now I can't find anyone for season two. But yeah, but again, spending a lot of time, even this time I was there in Punjab for about 3.5 months. Uh, yeah, so it doesn't get easy.
So, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਭਾਈ you it looked as if you had cast everyone, every good actor. So, is it how important is freshness for you, especially in supporting actors? Because main actors, I am not sure. Maybe they are cast by the director or the showrunners themselves. Is that correct? That Mona Singh is
Oh,
their choice, or Vijay Singha was your choice, right?
yes, yes. So it's a mix actually. Sometimes the casting director is also involved in the main cast. Like for this one, it was Ranvijay. Uh, yeah, and for Dhanwan's character also, we met a lot of actresses, and Mona was always in our mind, and she was always the first choice. We did a reading with her, and yeah, that's how it went, and I'm actually a very big fan of casting new actors, and I it gives me a different kind of a satisfaction when I meet someone who's new and who's doing it first time on the screen and does the job really well. I feel very happy and I feel delighted when I do that. So yes, freshness is very, very, very big for me. And but also a lot of it, like Pradyuman is in the show. He's playing Mona Singh's husband. Uh,
Very good, very
since
good. He's excellent.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So I don't know if you remember this film called Tere Bin Laden. Years
Correct.
back, this film had come out, and he was in that film, and I saw that film. I had not even started casting then. I saw that film, and I was blown with whatever he was doing. And then, since the time I started casting, I wanted to work with him, and finally, that happened. So with this show, actually, a lot of small little dreams have kind of come true. I have Rana Ranveer in the show, and such a big fan of Rana Ranveer. Uh, again seeing him in a very different role. He's been doing comedy and yeah, he's been doing serious stuff also, but here he plays a very different and a gritty character. So that I'm very excited about.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
is there a formula of mixing old with new, or you just go by the role and by the audition?
No, I mean, there's no formula. With when I work with Sudeep Sharma, this is the kind of freedom that he gives me. We need an actor who fits the part, be it known, not known, fresh, from a
Hmm.
drama school, not from a drama school. We don't care. You are fitting in the character. You nailed the audition. You are in. That's it.
Hmm. and
Yeah.
and and you pay a lot of attention to smaller parts also, like Preeti's mother. She seems, she fits in so well, and yet she seems very fresh. We are used to seeing some familiar faces, and especially in mothers and grandmothers parts. Was that a
Yes.
conscious choice again?
We I was meeting a lot of actresses, but she has never done, like, I don't know, never, but she's not done so much on screen before. And that was actually very exciting for me. And she's been doing a lot of theater in Punjab, and she's 73. She drives the car from Patiala to Chandigarh for an audition. And I was like, okay, listen, I
Mm.
have to give this time
Mm.
to her. Because it was relatively new also for her, so the audition took a little while because she's not done so much of camera. So no, it was actually not a conscious
Mm.
choice, but her audition, I spent some time with her and I was blown. She's fantastic, and uh,
Mm.
when I have to name I because everyone I've cast, I'm such a big fan of all of them, uh,
Mm.
all of them, and when I again work with Sudeep Sharma, he gives me this freedom of, sir, ये है और यही है, अब इसको ले लो बस.
See,
That
but
kind
you
of a
you
freedom.
given us so many new faces, especially in Patal Lok season 2. So many actors from Nagaland, which at least those who live in the north, are almost living under the rock as far as Northeast is concerned.
Yes,
Do you feel
yes.
proprietorial after casting them, and especially when they become? Is there any actor you feel a kind of a guardianship over? कि हाँ जी ये मेरी discovery है.
I mean, I could just tell it to myself. that that
Okay. Hmm.
that's
नहीं,
that's all.
you can tell us also if any actor you feel especially proud of that you have introduced.
With this season, a lot of actors, uh, Ranvijay seeing in a very, very different dramatic role. I'm very, very proud. Pradyuman, very proud. If you Twinkle in the show, who's playing the Bhabhi,
Hmm.
she's brilliant. And Deepak, he plays Twinkle's brother.
Hmm.
Prerak, who plays Arun Kumar. Rakesh Kumar. I I'm really proud of all of them. I can't pick like one, two. Um, yeah, I can't.
But it is now generally perceived, ever since we are seeing casting directors in our entertainment industry, that it has opened the doors for outsiders. How true is that assumption? And also whether, because you're the first frontline, first gatekeepers, who will let a fresh talent come in. But is again the freshness could also work to their disadvantage, because once they're there, then maybe for next time you need another face. And do they get enough chances?
I can't say if they get enough chances. I don't know, because it's tough. There's a lot of competition, and
No, what I'm asking
y-
is whether outsiders are now getting enough chances, or it's just one off chance they get कि आपने कोई ढूंढा और वो आ गया इंडस्ट्री में, लेकिन आप जब दोबारा बना रहे हो कुछ तो you don't want them really there because you're again looking for a fresh face.
no, no, that's not true, because I'm working on another show which Sudeep Sharma is directing. It's a comedy show, and we are working with all the actors that we've worked before.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, so if someone's
Mm.
brilliant, we call them back, we cast them again. Like again, Pradyuman, I will cast all the time. Whatever I'm doing, all the time I'll push for him. He's also in the show, in Pushpak Viman. So yeah, we do call them again.
So, but what exactly are you looking for when you go out? Is it talent, or is it, how well the character fits into that part?
you have to fit in. How, you're looking like the part, you're speaking like the part. That's it. That's all I look for. That's the first thing you look for actually when you're casting. You have to look the part firstly, and only then we get into the process of auditioning. And then if you've nailed the audition, then you're in.
You said that you feel very good when new actors do a great job, but the fact that you yourself are an actor, does that make you more demanding, or does that make you very sympathetic towards them?
Very, very sympathetic. I
Very.
I
Hmm.
I'm always fighting for actors, and I'm always, be it whatever. I always take side of my actors, and मेरे को बड़ा सर पे बिठाने की बड़ी बड़ी गंदी आदत है एक्टर्स को तो मैं तो वो करती हूँ and yeah, I love
कोई
it. I really enjoy it because I know, and I've been there, and I know how would they feel in a situation like this. So yeah, and I really treat my actors really well, and I'm really proud when I say this, and I know that all the actors I have worked with, they will say the same thing.
बट तो फिर कोई कोई ऐसा एक्टर जो बहुत बार ऑडिशन में फेल हो गया हो लेकिन यू केप्ट गिविंग हिम अ चांस?
Yeah, so many of them, a lot of them. I really like a lot of actors who are not able to, जैसे अभी इस project में नहीं हुआ, तो I will keep calling them again until unless I don't get them a job, I keep calling them.
And you played a part in Patal Lok as well. You play a cop, Manju Verma, right? Uh, so कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you pitched yourself for any project of which you are a casting director?
I wish I do that, but I think I'm too shy to do it, honestly. I don't have that thing in me कि ये मुझे ये मैं करूँ, please ये मुझे करना है. So no, no. I've always got Manju Verma. Also, I just got it because I was queuing the co-actors, and they said, "Okay, you're really good. You should do this." But I have never been able to pitch myself.
Hmm. So you started out with Abhishek Banerjee, who's both again a casting director and an actor. Of course, the world knows him better as an actor. Would you
Yes.
want to come to a point where you are known better as an actor than a casting director, or you would want कि दोनों साथ साथ ही चलें?
नहीं, दोनों साथ साथ चलने चाहिए. I can't pick one. I enjoy both things equally. Uh, yeah, casting
But
director and actor.
so anything you may have learned from him, one mantra, one casting, especially mantra as a casting director, and of course as an actor too, if because he's a very fine actor again.
See, whatever I know about casting is through Abhishek Banerjee. I started working with him. He has only taught me how to hold a camera, how to give cues, how to audition. So whatever I know is him, honestly. And
कोई खास
every day
बात कही
was,
हो? हम्म, कुछ स्पेशल बताया हो which has stayed with you?
uh, during my time with Abhishek Banerjee, we were always taking risks of casting newer actors, casting actors who might not fit the part, but let's just call and try this actor. बुलाते हैं इसको. क्या पता वो, we he might surprise us. So that, taking risks and not doing cliche casting.
Not doing.
Yeah.
And what would be cliche casting? And एक कोई any one cliche which would make you walk out of one cliche rule जिसको आप सुनते ही आप कमरे से एग्जिट कर जाओगे?
If someone calls me for a cop character again, I'll just bye. Because that happened. It's
Hmm.
so sad that
हाँ.
happened. I
Hmm.
played a cop in Patalok, and I kept getting calls for a cop.
Hmm.
You know, that's so comfortable. You have
Uh,
seen it. Like you have to like really broaden your vision. Come on, like you have
hmm,
seen me doing that. Call me for something else. Like I did another show with Tigmanchu Dhulia, The Great Indian Murder. I was cast in
hmm.
a very different role in that. Uh, and I didn't audition for that. He took that risk, and that's something that excites me. If you're if you're calling me for the same thing that I've done, it's really boring.
But how many directors or filmmakers today are willing to take that risk and not fall into the cliched casting?
It's a mix. I've been very lucky that all my work is with Sudeep Sharma,
Hmm.
and he just again he gives me a lot of freedom. ठीक है, okay, तुझे
Hmm.
ठीक लग रहा है, let's do it, and I get this a lot from him. So I have been very lucky, but I have met a lot of directors who want to just do like a little safe casting and okay, ये पहले कर चुका है, ये इसको बुला लेते हैं, ये कर लेगा। और बहुत सारी कास्टिंग दोस्ती यारी में भी होती है।
Hmm.
Let's just call my friend, and this doesn't happen here, so this makes me very happy.
Hmm.
So so um yeah, I've been thrown out of projects,
Hmm.
such projects, that
Hmm.
they were doing cliche casting, so I've been thrown out of those projects.
But even directors who don't do cliche casting, like let's say Sudeep Sharma, he may have the main hero or main antagonist in mind. अब जैसे does that bother you? कि you wish you had cast the main actor also, the main hero.
Oh, no, not so much. I mean, when you see a Jaideep in a show like Patalok, you don't feel that at all.
Hmm.
It was the part written for him, and I
Yeah,
can't see anyone else doing that.
yeah, you can't unsee him. Yeah, no way.
Yeah, you can't. So in a situation like this, no, I'm very happy with. And uh, you know, I'd just like to say casting is just one side of it, but you also who you are picking
Hmm.
is is the casting choices that he makes. Sometimes I'm also like blown with the choices that he makes.
Hmm.
Like again, I'm talking about Ranvijay, taking Ranvijay in this show, looking at what he has done before,
Hmm.
and it is a kind of a risk, uh, because this setting is very different from what he has done before. So yeah.
But actors generally take on a project if they like the script, they like the director. How is it with the casting director? Do they have that freedom? Do they have that privilege, the luxury to choose? Okay, this is the project that resonates with me. So only then I will say yes to finding talent
Yeah,
for it.
until you have enough projects that you can say no. But if you don't, then you're just you gotta pay your bills.
Yeah.
So
But do
you
you
pick
think
up.
casting directors are finally getting their due? I mean, of course, there's the couple of very very big names like Mukesh Chhabra and all. But beyond that, do you think it's still considered an ancillary thing?
No, I think there's still time to
Hmm.
kind of where casting directors are really given their credit or their due. There's little more time to that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
But yeah, and you found talent in most unusual places like restaurants, cobblers, shops, and etc.
Yeah.
etc. But what is the
Yeah.
weirdest place where we are likely to find you looking for talent? कल को निकिता कहाँ जाने वाली है talent ढूंढने के लिए?
This gives me a high when I do this, when I'm walking on the like Nagaland was such a different experience. 6 months I was in Nagaland, and walking on the street, I've literally knocked on doors. Okay, hi, I made a card, and hi, my name is Nikita. Listen, I do this, and would you like to give an audition? Would you be interested in that? So, uh, I've knocked doors, and today, if I walk on the streets of Kohima or Dimapur, I'll be taken in. I like people know me there. Yeah, that's the kind of work that I have done. So yeah, you know, I will pick you up in a bathroom and anywhere. So yeah.
So do casting directors have a have a eye, or do they have a sixth sense, or some kind of a instinct about actors, especially when you spot them just like that?
Yeah, 100%. That's the only thing actually,
Hmm.
because you don't need like a certain kind of an education or anything to do
Hmm.
casting. It's just uh it's just how you can pick up it's just your instinct actually. uh when you're picking up the actor, and when you're auditioning, you're seeing how good or bad this person can pull this scene off. That's it actually. So yeah, it's a lot of gut and instinct.
But we are living in times when almost everyone wants to be an actor, right? Wants to be a part. What would, as somebody who's casting them day in and out, what would be your advice to aspiring actors? What should they do?
Give like Make a habit of auditioning every day, and
Mm.
just don't wait for the results. Just keep at it. You will audition for 100 things, and you might only get one job. But you have to make this as your routine, because with each audition you will see yourself every day getting better. Every audition tape you make, you will just see, and you will know it yourself that कल से आज ये बेहतर किया मैंने.
Mhm. But so treat audition as a rehearsal platform, not as something, not as a rejection
Yeah,
ground. Mhm.
yeah, yeah.
That is very important advice. But do you get a brief from your director, or do you yourself read the script many times over to before you set out to scout actors?
Um, we do get a brief. There are
Mm.
readings, first of all, with the whole team, where each department is kind of sitting, and the director is narrating the script, so you understand the tone of the script that time, and okay, this is the kind of tone they're looking at. And then there are a lot of meetings, a lot of discussions, a lot of what the director thinks that this character should look like, a lot of what I think that the character
Mm.
should look like. And I think a lot of work happens on the ground when I meet different kind of actors, and we also kind of uh, understand, okay, this he's not looking like how what we thought, but
Mm.
he could be a great fit. So a lot of work happens on the ground.
But you said that are you and the director invariably on the same page, or do you have creative differences? And if yes, how do you resolve them?
Um, no, not so much of
Hmm.
creative differences, but I think the work environment is very, very, very cordial. He listens what I'm feeling. I listen to what he's feeling, and we play it in the middle.
So right now, what is keeping Nikita busy, and where are you looking for talent in which state right now?
So I am working on Sudeep Sharma's next. It's called Pushpak Viman, and I'm also working on a Punjabi film.
Oh
Uh,
wow.
yeah, it's been directed by Amarjeet Sarau, and that I'm working on, which is very very new for me because Punjab में
हम्म
casting directors का concept इतना है नहीं.
Yeah.
So
पंजाब में तो
yeah,
ये कि जो सारे ही फेसेस फेमिलियर होते हैं बाय एंड लार्ज.
हाँ वही. So because I acted in one of his films, Ik Kudi, so I told him, we spoke and we chatted and we thought that he also thought that okay, casting is kind of really important and there's a lot of uh, a lot of the job is like done when you cast a right actor for the part. So yeah, that's how I got his next film for casting. So that I'm doing. Yeah.
What is it called?
It's not named yet, but it stars Amy Virk and Rupi Gill.
So what is how what is your stand on casting choices in Punjabi film industry?
It's I don't know if I should say this, but it's funny because uh, you see these four faces in every film.
Yeah.
And I see because I've worked in a film and they're just fighting for the dates all the time. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਧਾ ਦਿਨ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਅੱਧਾ ਦਿਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਰ ਲਓ and it's so those 4 5 actors are really busy and constantly doing the work and rest of the actors are not no, you don't see them in the films. Like now when you see Kohra, I don't think a lot of Punjabi actors and actresses you've seen in any Punjabi film. So that kind of needs to, that had to, I'm trying to kind of break that other people should also get the job because it's a big industry. There's so many Punjabi films that are under making. And वो 4 actors सब फिल्म में नहीं करने चाहिए ना यार.
And the thing is, where familiarity does breed contempt, and we have been saying this for a long time that Punjabi industry may, you need to infuse fresh blood.
Yes. Yes.
But are you hopeful because it's काफी stubborn ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲੋਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲੋਕ.
But I'm learning. I'm learning, I would say. I've acted in 2 films. This is the first film I'm casting, and I've kind of understand that industry. I can't say understood, but I'm trying to understand daily how do they work, and it's different. It's very different. The very Punjabi industry is very spontaneous, and I've also tried to match their how spontaneous they are. But yeah, I think
Yeah.
I am hopeful, and I will knock every director's door to tell them that listen, you need to do casting. And yeah, yeah.
So why this? You're already working with the very best we have, Sudeep Sharma. So what prompted you to move towards Punjab? Was it Kora was the trigger?
Yes. And I've started liking being in Punjab so much that, I feel I feel very nice when I'm there. I feel very, like I feel very warm when I'm in Punjab. Like I am a Punjabi, but I grew up in Delhi. But Kora one, I spent around 3 months there, and I didn't want to come back to Bombay. Like, okay, this is where I want to be. How and then again Kora 2 happened and then I acted in 2 films. So I think it's calling me again and again. And I would like to take that chance and do more of work in Punjab.
But one actor which you wish you had discovered. पंजाबी ਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ.
बहुत 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 I don't know. I can't really name it now. Nothing. So many. I really like Noor. Noor Chal is so good. And I wish I see her more, doing more films. Um, yeah, I think I am a kind of a person who I'll make sure that I cast that person. I fight.
Yeah, you fight.
I fight. Yeah.
That-
If I've discovered you, I will get you the job.
Mhm. नहीं, but you wish you had discovered. My question is, if कोई actors देख के तो लग गया हो कि मैं मेरी नजर क्यों नहीं पहिए देते.
You know this film, Jaggi?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, Ramneesh, I think,
Mm.
is one actor that I had never met, and the lead in that film, I had never met him, and I thought, यार ये तो बहुत ही सही एक्टर है. मेरे को बहुत फोमो हो जाता है कि अरे मैं क्यों नहीं कभी इस एक्टर से करूं.
Exactly. That's what I was asking you.
Yeah, so I think Ramneesh is one actor that, because then he did Black Warrant also
So,
after
see,
Jaggi.
and where will we see Nikita the actor in near future?
I'm looking for a job.
You are in touch with other casting. Are you in touch with other casting directors?
I am. Yes, they're all colleagues, they're all friends, and yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but nothing in the pipeline right now. I'm looking for a job. I hope it's a Punjabi film, please.
That'll happen soon. We are
Yes,
manifesting it. Yes, but
yes.
but last line, of course, a lot of people have already seen Cora too, but those who may not have yet got in touch from a casting director, why should they be watching it?
I think बहुत ही रूटेड शो है, और बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स हैं, और ये मेरा फेवरेट पार्ट है इस शो का, कि बहुत सारी औरतें हैं शो में. और मुझे बहुत ही मजा आया औरतें कास्ट करने में. So yeah, that's why you should watch it.
So, and from a female casting director, we expect no less but a battery of
Yes,
fine female actors. Thank you,
yes.
Nikita, and hoping to see more and more talent coming from your uncanny instinct to find them. And thank you so much for your time. A pleasure talking to you.
Thank
Wishing
you.
you
I
all
had
the
fun.
best, and I hope to see you on Punjabi screen very, very soon.
Yes,
Right.
yes. Thank you. Thanks a
Okay.
lot.
Thank you.